Alright guys, now I'm gonna go over problem number 4. Okay, so the good thing about this is that it's already in standard form, so I can just plug this into the matrix, right? So I'm gonna go over to second x to negative 1, go over to edit, and I'm gonna edit matrix 1, and remember it's gonna be 2 by 3. Okay, and so my coefficients are 3, negative 4, negative 10. And my second row is going to be 9, negative 12, negative 30. 9, negative 12, negative 30. And then remember, second mode to quit. Okay, and so then I'm going to second x to negative 1, go over to math, and go up to our REF, hit enter. And then second x to negative 1, and we were dealing with matrix A. Okay, so I have 1, negative 1.33333, and negative 33333. And I had all zeros on the bottom, if you notice. So remember, when you have all zeros, that means there's an infinite number of solutions, right? So if you end up with a number, and a number, and then 0, 0, 0. Those 3 zeros means there's an infinite number of solutions.